Kaizer Chiefs is not back to winning ways. Just because ba win ama game nyana 4 in a row and then all of a sudden sekumele sibababaze sithi hey, Kaizer Chiefs is back, Kaizer Chiefs is back. Fact remains, Kaizer Chiefs doesn't have a good squad. They don't have good players. Abana ma coach. Lama game i4 ba wini, lama game vele bekumele ukuthi ba wini. I mean, you would expect Kaizer Chiefs to beat Magis. You'd expect Kaizer Chiefs to beat Orbit College. You'd expect Kaizer Chiefs to beat ETS Galaxy. ETS Galaxy come from lose ebuhlungu Orlando Pirates 6-0. ETS Galaxy is not the same this season. They lost to Kamhelo Sibelebele. They just lost to Puse Ditejani. Like izinto zabo zihlangane this season. So yes, Kaizer Chiefs is expected to win. Like standards South African football is so low that sizes glorify ama win against ama team afana nabo Magesi sithi Kaizer Chiefs iwinile. Is the standard that low? Kaizer Chiefs vele bekumele ukuthi idle lama team lawo wadlile. Those are teams that Kaizer Chiefs is supposed to dominate. Those are the teams that Kaizer Chiefs is supposed to show why Kaizer Chiefs is the biggest team in the country. Those like let's celebrate things that are expected. It's what is expected of the Kaizer Chiefs to win 4 games in a row, vele. But we can't celebrate just yet because clearly in the past 4 games, the Kaizer Chiefs were not tested. They were playing against the opposition a week. They were playing against teams that are trying to find their feet. Ama team lawanga cheli wona ngokwawo. So vele bekumele ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs win. The biggest test is coming against Orlando Pirates. The biggest test is coming against Mamelodi Sundowns. Then Kaizer Chiefs will be tested. The only way we know if he's working out and is as a big team is if you win important games and if you win under pressure. What Orlando Pirates did against the Richards Bay, sharp. Orlando Pirates might have not won, but coming back from deep behind and making sure at least as Tolenitro. Come on, Bafit, you have to give credit to that. You have to give credit to that. You have to give credit to the fact that the players didn't give up. You have to give credit to the fact that the players remained gaming. They kept their cool, bahlalile bafocus, baze babuye and they equalized. It is so unfortunate ukuthi Orlando Pirates ayina striker. If Orlando Pirates are a lethal striker, banga striking umuntu ofana noYanele Mbutulma would be talking a different story right now. And nyezwa abantu abaningi, this is the only part le ngivumelana naye. Kaizer Chiefs, the way they've been playing, if they win tonight, it's going to be their 5th win in a row. But again, who are they playing tonight? So when the season started, Kaizer Chiefs they won 4 or 5 games in a row. Beheka ba wina ngama 1-0. Amanye amagolo abo kwama offside, but the refs babapa because every team in the PSL benefits. Pirates ya benefita, Sundowns ya benefita. It's normal. Kaizer Chiefs igcini wina lawo ma game lawo until the tables turned. Masabaqala badlala against high opposition. I'm a team that are well structured, that are well organized. I'm a team ukuthi akwazi ukumaka bayenze everything right. Zaqala zakhala. Lesa skhathi when Kaizer Chiefs lost 4 games in a row. Ama support the Kaizer Chiefs bahamba baya Naturena Village baya toitoya lapha ukuthi they want the coaches out. I did a video and said the problem at Kaizer Chiefs is not the coaches. The problem at Kaizer Chiefs is the players. The players are playing like abafuni ukudlalela Chiefs. The players are playing like they don't deserve to be playing at professional level. Now that lama player lawa sekiyakoruwa sokumnanda masupporta thulile, they won't come back and say, yeah, but shoot ama coach whenever the problem. Ama coach basati formation kahle, bahlanganisa scheme kahle nama player. When the players have to go do what the coach told them to do in practice, ama player wana bese bayahluleka. So the situation lapha ku Kaizer Chiefs is still the coaches. I mean, it's still the players, not the coaches. Sonke laba nonke nina laba benilokhu thukana ni playmana nama coach akusama coach. Imswahla lapha ku Chiefs ama player wabo. You can't tell me ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs will compete for anything or win anything. Nisa depend as a main player and star player senu kusasomntu duze shabalala, but you telling me ukuthi nina you a big team nifuna ukwina izinto. I game changer yenu Mfundo Vilakazi swinani mawubheke emuva umsimango Inacio Miguel why nizowina ini. Those guys are still the players that are affecting performance at Chiefs. Those are still the players that are delaying the growth of the Kaizer Chiefs. You are my player when it matters most, they can't even show up for the team. But thina ma supporters sakijima sonke sithuka bo coach ama coach bayawapha ama player a fair chance. Ama player aphiwa ama chance. Ushinga, everyone was complaining yeah, when is Shinga playing, wadlala ushinga zakhala. So mina ningangizeli ngalento yokuthi Kaizer Chiefs kona manje yashisa, yeah, they've won 4 games in a row, badlala against abobani vele bekumele bawine. Awuvele bekumele ukuthi bawini. You can't come to me now and ask me ukuthi how do you feel if iPirates idla iteam encane ngabo 4-5 ngizosho ngithi bo expecting. iPirates was supposed to go show that team why Pirates is a big team. Kaizer Chiefs was supposed to show Orbit College why they're a big team. When Orbit College was promoted to the Betway Premiership, bekumele ba understand ukuthi they're going to compete at the highest level of South African football. And the Kaizer Chiefs mele babonise ukuthi akudlalwa la. Akusi second division la si serious. So we can't give them credit for doing into bekumele ukuthi bayenza. We give them credit yabona nabangaqeda as number 3 this season. We give them the credit. Nabangaqeda as number 3 this season, uKhalil, Ben Yusuf, no Cedric Kaze, they did a better job than Unabi and every other coach Kaizer Chiefs has had for the past 5 seasons. Bazoba bayenza umsebenzi omkhulu, umsebenzi oncomekayo, because clearly these guys, they understand the team. Bayayazi into abayenza, ama stats ayabafavor, bayakwazi ukuset information. It's just the players disappointing them. And ngasho futhi ukuthi ilokhu nje bekuyinkinga yama coach na uFlavio da Silva makasha abantu ngama flying kick le akhaba abomloyisana. Bekuyinkinga yabo coach abomdusha abalala nabaphuma nonwani bamisa. Bekuyinkinga yabo coach na abantu bapensela lapha kuma touchline wakumele bashaya ama cross abomfundo Vilakazi. Was it the issue bekuyinkinga yabo coach na? Beka labo coach laba badlalisa uMabuwe right position. Mabuwe is having the time of his life right now. He's having the time of his life right now. The only issue engikwatisa ukuthi sometimes baba inconsistent ngokumdlalisa noNdlovu. Mele adlale noNdlovu. That he midfield the Chiefs layer. uMabuwe noNdlovu. That's the midfield the Chiefs ayidingayo. And by the way, ama supporter we Chiefs bafethu nginitshela iqiniso. uInacio Miguel is not doing fuck all for this team. Ayikho into ni benefitayo ngokuba khona kwaka Inacio Miguel. uInacio Miguel rough, uClamsy, wenza yonke into uyayidlisa le team le. And ngengizwa abanye abantu abangazi ibhola, abantu nje abathanda ukukhuluma. Yeah, hey Chiefs makudlala uInacio Miguel winani. Iwinani lo muntu adonsa abantwana babantu le. Iwinani lo muntu ajumpela phezulu kwama player. Iwinani lo muntu lona mfethu adefend inyongo. Ayikho into ayenzayo lo muntu lo. Next season ngicela iChiefs ehambe yofuna idefender lizodlala kahle no McCarthy. Amane ufuna idefender lizodlala no McCarthy. Now 4 wins in a row, all of a sudden sekuyarasa social media. Hugo Bruce must select Kaizer Chiefs players. Oh nkulunkulu wami. On what grounds? On what grounds? Mela khethe bani Hugo Bruce? Sekumele manje Hugo Bruce abiza ama player we Chiefs because the Chiefs win ama game nyana 4 in a row. Ama player we Chiefs sekumele ukuthi angene kubafana. Bafethu animeni kancane asibeni serious. South Africa sizihloniphi bafethu, asihlonipheni ibhola lethu. If we are selecting players based on merit and form, ama player we Sundowns sekumele ukuthi adominate bafana. Yiba abantu ekumele bahambe bayadlala ku World Cup and then sipetche ngama player amanye ama team. Not even a lot of players abadlala ku Pirates deserve to even be in the national team. Sibisi shouldn't be in the national team. Akumfanele ayikho into ayenzayo for national team. Nalapha ku Pirates uyavuza. Bekungamele nokuthi udlala lapha yana ku national team. This time of the season is the most crucial time of the season. It's the most crucial phase of the season. Bheka kula ama challenge aphezulu, ama player kwenzakalani sengena phezulu kwalendaba kaSipho Chain noTito. uTito akana discipline. uTito akaziphathisi like a professional player. He doesn't carry himself as if umuntu odlala ku professional. Indlela khulume ngayo no coach Abdeslam Mowadu lapha nakusindlela yokukhuluma leya. Ngibona uDopi coach, ubheki coach, oloku ufuna ukuqhubeka lapha kuSipho Chain. So let's say ucoach bekangangenanga ngaphakathi kwabo, bekazoyenzani, bekahamba yashaya iSipho Chain ngempama in front of a sold out stadium. In front of amehlo wa millions watching from home. Abotito mele bakhule, grow up and understand that you're a professional footballer. Yeke ukuziphathisa njengomfana osadlala ebhuqwini. You are playing for one of the biggest teams in South African football. Behave like someone who's playing for a big team. Hambe yobuza ama legends, seek advice from legends, bakuguide bakubonisa indlela lenkaninyana yakho ngeke kusendawo mfowethu. You are not bigger than Orlando Pirates and you will never be bigger than Orlando Pirates. Noma ungazamani, you will never even, like 10 years from now sokukhohlwa nokuthi kwadlalela Orlando Pirates. Carry on ngalo behavior sizokukhohlwa. It's not like when you're on the field khona manje you bringing anything for the team. Aniyeke lento kuloku endelelana nama coach inphaphelana nama coach. Mawudlala inyongo nhlala ebenchini. Pull up your socks, learn from the likes of Jaden Adams. Bakubonisa Adams what it's like ukuthi it's normal for a player to be off form, but phakamisa igame yakho udlale, then ucoach uzokuselect akufaka akudlalise. If you feel ukuthi wena ujabula ngeteam hamba. A lot of players have done it. uNeymar waphapha la zenza istar delela lapha kuBarcelona wahamba ku PSG zakhala. Akaphindanga ayibona iChampions League bheka. Uphi namhlanje le Santos buyele ekhaya because of ill discipline. We've seen what ill discipline does to a lot of players. Lama player lawo bo Chiefs nabo Pirates mele baye kucanga ukuthi bigger than the team. They are not. No player has ever been bigger than the club itself. Akekho. noma ungazamaphi noma ungamfunaphi noma ungamention abani, you will never be bigger than Orlando Pirates, you will never be bigger than Kaizer Chiefs, you will never be bigger than Mamelodi Sundowns. That's impossible, never. These teams will continue to exist when noma ungasekho. These teams will continue to exist and they will continue to be big and they will continue to dominate South African football. Wona lama team lawo oyi-3. Wona lama team lawo oyi-3. Awuyo ama team abalekile la. So abotito mele ba relax. Le ukuthi bona bazola phambi kwethu ama-fan. Mfethu, iba discipline, be professional. Mafuna ukulwa nomuntu nawe chain. Hambani nolela ema locker room. Hambani nolela le ema locker room lesingaboni. Ningazolela phambi kwamehlo wethu. Ningazola phambi kwamehlo wethu. And if you lose the ball Tito, now you must drop back uhambe yo defender. Hambe yo defender le ukuthi wena uzogijima ngathi angazi ubani meliphele baba. Meliphele lento le. Hawu. Usipho Chain, yes, he was just as wrong now Usipho Chain. I can't just blame uTito ayi1. uChain naye beka wrong. Wayangamelanga ukuthi bafike changing room. Wayangamelanga ukuthi bafike changing room bayikhulume kahle le ndaba le. Manje izoyikhuluma phambi kwethu ama-fan ngapha ucoach uJabulile is trying to celebrate the win. Ucoach sekumela ngene ngaphakathi kwenu manje akhuze. Ngathi ukhuza abantwana abancane abase crash. Hayi ningazozela ngingqondo zasemalokishini ebholweni. Now, ningazocanga ukuthi akusikusebhuqwini la PSL le. There are millions of people watching all over South Africa abanye babhekele ema-Africa kunama potential sponsor nama inini abhekelele. Kusasa uHugo Bruce makanganibiza abantu boba badumu watwati bakuthukana ku social media. Hey, we need this player, we need. These are the same things. These are the very things about Hugo Bruce bakhuluma ngazo abacomplaina ngazo nabakhuluma ngediscipline. Niyohamba kusasa niyothukana le Mexico le nesihlaza le emazweni niyothukana le. We all make mistakes on the field of play. Masenza ama mistake ascorrectaneni asibonisaneni ukuthi hayi wena ubhayizela. Let's be a team. We win as a team, we lose as a team. No one is bigger than the club. And you will never ever be bigger than the club. Noma ungazamani. Angeke uhlule iPirates ngobukhulu. Angeke. There's a baby being born right now in 3 years ozoba isupporta le Pirates. Omunye ozoba isupporta le Chiefs, ozoba isupporta le Sundowns. Makhulu blind lama team la ukuhlula le ntwana lezi ezoleke bele busy zisibhora la. And intwana vele lezi. Singazosikenya. Sifuna ukubhekelela ibhola. It's Orlando Pirates is under pressure right now. Orlando Pirates is under immense pressure right now. It draw against Richards Bay, a game they were not supposed to draw. Le game le Pirates bekumele ukuthi winile. This puts pressure on the Orlando Pirates. It puts pressure on the coach. The coach should be dealing with bigger things instead of worrying about ama-player wakhalwayo, ama-player wakathethisanayo. Siloke sibambela ama-player ngana discipline meeting. Makukuthi bafethu bekumele sidiscuss izinto ezibalekile. Coach Abdeslam Mowadi, when a player is not playing well, mkhiphe. Don't keep him, mkhiphe. I-player makangadlali zona akaphume. Makangadlali zona akaphume. It's not hate. Asikho isikhathi ukuthi siloke siyancenga manje niyayibona iSundowns yenzani. They doing well ku-CAF. Bazobuya ku-PSL bawine their remaining games. So now it's concerning manje. Orlando Pirates sekumele ukuthi kuminywe kuthandazwe ukuthi hayi iChiefs isicela ukuthi isenzele ifavor. We're not even sure if iKaizer Chiefs can beat Mamelodi Sundowns at this point. Asazi ukuthi iChiefs izokwazi ukudla iSundowns. iChiefs nayo yourself ingakuswabisa kunokuthi idle iSundowns ivele idle iPirates. Because it seems ku-PSL every other team baba serious nabadlala ne-Pirates mara nabadlala against i-Sundowns ngathi bayasaba bavele bathi la sesidliwe. When they play against Orlando Pirates abo Richards Bay they go all out nabafika ku-Sundowns bahola bo 3-0. I-Orlando Pirates right now is the only team that's challenging i-Sundowns for the league. La amanye ama-team akhaphi Pirates. La amanye ama-team akhaphi Pirates, they're more focused on the Pirates. I don't understand, Buffett. If we are saying that we can't allow one team to dominate our league and to dominate our football, it is therefore, as Buffett, as marabanye abantu ba-childish. Into ke bekumele ukuthi siyenze. iChiefs nePirates, this is the time where we come together as ama-fan. Sharp, masidlala against each other, we are rivals. Whoever wins, wins. Mara yila bekumele ukuthi sasebenzisana ukuthi bafethu asitithroneni Sundowns. Why are we criticizing ama-player? Why sithukana nama-player? If a player is not playing well akaphume. I said it mina myself. I don't blame the coaches for the mess Chiefs and blame ama-player. The players are not playing like they're playing for Kaizer Chiefs. They're not playing like they want to go represent Kaizer Chiefs at the highest level. Hugo Bruce is not selecting Chiefs players not because he's being biased. He's not selecting them because Buffett they're not rising to the occasion. Good Chiefs the only person ongatshota balazu goalkeeper wakhona. Well, no, Mabuwe is bigger. If Mabuwe batok bafana, I'd be happy. Umabuwe nalo mfana lo Peterson yiba abantu abatabalazayo. So manje thina kunabafana abashayinayo, abafana who are on the come up. Everyone loves watching uRelebohile Mofokeng, but we always find a way to criticize the boy. So asiyekeni lento lena bafethu. Tito, Sipo Chain, fix your differences. Ilungiseni off the pitch. Hambani niyothengelana ama wings plus lapha kunama wings ama spicy wings what. Hambani niyodla ama wings nilungise. The day Pirates idlala against AmaZulu, we want a motivated team. We want a team spirit. Isifuna team ejabulile. Chiefs namhlanje mele ingcwabi iMagesi. iMagesi must know what it's like playing against a big team. iMagesi ingazosuka la isuka khona izobamba iChiefs ngedraw. iChiefs mele punish iMagesi. They failed to punish iMagesi. It's the players, not the coach. It's the players, not the coach. The only time we blame Mama Coach, Gumaba substitute. And this brings me to my next point. Coach Abdeslam Moadu struggles reading the game from the bench. Shy substitution lamchita loya. Agagwazu substitute. Orlando Pirates is playing against Richards Bay Pega. They're doing everything right defensively. And whatever chance they get offensively by a core. Ozuna Police will equalize with Coach Pirates to keep Ozuna Police. After creating the chance aga Ozuna Police, let's be honest, what else did he do? If you're looking for someone to substitute, keep Umfukeng. Put Umbule on time. Mbule. Now we need to be able also kudlala la emidleleni. Umbazo yatabalaza ushama pass wenza yonke into right. Our coach Abdeslam Moadu ubona ukuthi mina ngifuna undiyo ofaka uDion. Hayi. Into sizibona ebholweni lethu. Hayi. So bafethi ngivalela ke akuna Chiefs ebuyile next. iChiefs bekumele wine lama game lawa. Ningazosihlanyela nina la sinisitshela ukuthi hayi Chiefs yashize akuna Chiefs eshisayo. Lama game abawinile bekumele ukuthi bawine. Sekumele manje celebrate ama win against abo Orbit College ngathi start league. Celebrate ama win against abo TS Galaxy ngathi start league. You are a big team. Mele ushaye lama team amancane. Until at the end of the season ngibona iChiefs number 3 or number 2, only then I can say Kaizer Chiefs ibuyile. Until then ayikakabuyi. The season is not over. The season is not over. Until then ayikakabuyi iChiefs. And ngintshele by the way lento leyo ukuthi nina mani ngajabulanga ngendlela thina sikhuluma ngayo nina nibona ukuthi nisithuke ngabo mama bethu nisishwayela kabi. Sikhuluma ngebhola labantu enimane ba defender la abanazi nokunazi. Labantu eniba defender nisithuka ngaba abanazi nokunazi. Nibadala for lezi zinto lezi nizekayo. Yekani ukuloku enibhizi nithukana nathi sabantu siyakwazi ukureact but we choose not to swear because sikhuluma ngebhola la. Ningazoba personal ngibhizi nifakana nama family wethu abantu eningabazi. Ningabo sijwayela kabi. If you want to talk football, come let's talk football. Mawufuna ukuthukana mbe uthukana u1 lesina sikhathi thina siphukuphuka abantu abathukanayo. Sikhuluma ibhola la. Akekho umuntu ozoza lana azositshela the way wena wazi ibhola ini uthulile uhlelo ukhamsile lapho ulengisa umkhaba la i-team yakhe idlala inyongo uzophaphela mina uhlula ukukhola out ama player wakho umduduza ishabalala abadlala inyoso le uhlula ukubiza ama player wakho uzophaphela mina la uhlula ukukhuzana nezinto ezenzakala e-teamini yakho uzophaphela mina. Kaizer Chiefs has been playing trash for the past 4-5 seasons. Effect lento leyo akusukuthi ngikhuluma because I'm a hater. I want the best for my football. I want the best for my country yami. Masikhuluma ngaba Hugo Bruce la wena ukhuluma nonsense uwe. Wena othulile ohleli uHugo Bruce destroy ama career wama player la. uHugo Bruce unokushiya ama player kumele ukuthi adlale kubafana nithulile. Abathemba inkosi locha doing well. Uhambile wayedlala ku Club World Cup uyashisa Hugo Bruce abababizi masikhuluma nesithuka. Nina nihleli nithulile la. Nivumela umuntu osuka le Belgium azomosha ibhola lethu la South Africa. This is our football. We know what our football deserves and we know what's best for our football. Nithulile la umuntu uzosibizelana nabo Lyle Foster singabazi la. Izinja zikhona labo Ikram Reyners. Masikhuluma nesithuka wazini wena wazini ngoba uthulile. Ngabo siphaphela. Hawu. Ngabo siphaphela. Mawufuna sikhulume ngebhola zwakala sikhulume. Mawufuna ukuthukana hamba thola intanga zakho le mahlathini yothukana nawo. Asina sikhathi seyilima thina. I've been watching football long enough, Vorvai. I've been watching football long enough, bram. Tala ngabheka idiski awuthama. Idiski kudala yabona idiski kudala salibheka. Idiski you don't even like awudingi nokuthi ukwazi ukudlala ibhola ukuze uunderstand. Into enimoshayo. Nicanga ukuthi wonke umuntu ounderstand ibhola kumele ukuthi akwazi ukudlala awudingi nokuunderstand ukuthi ulazi ibhola. Angikhumbuli mina maybe ngingazi. Angikhumbuli uRulani Mukwena adlala ku PSL marabheka. Angikhumbula adlala ku PSL. Angikhumbula uJose Mourinho adlala kuma EPL marabheka. Angikhumbula adlala marabheka. The only issue la iwani ukuthi nifuna ukuthi sikhuluma izinto ezithandwa yini. Masingakhuluma izinto ezithandwa yini niyasithuka nithi sabantu ababhedayo. Ayikho sharp. iKaizer Chiefs bafethu iwina ama game ayi4 beyidlala nabo bani. Beyidlala against abo bekumele benzeni. I-Chiefs was supposed to dominate lama team ayi4 edlale nawo. Angeke ngitshele ukuthi i-Chiefs idlala ne-Orbit College bafethu bese i-Chiefs uniform lisa celebrate. Mina when the Pirates Sundowns Chiefs are playing against abo Orbit College nabo Magesi or FC, mfethu angeke ngibe serious ukuthi it's a win ngayiglorify. I'm expecting them to play well. That's why sometimes we come back and criticize uRilebuhile Mfukeng. Makakwazi ukushaya amagoli amaningi against abo Orbit College, against abo Magesi. Pirates idlala ne Sundowns asimboni. That's when we start to be worried and concerned. Sithi mfana kithi can, like, when you have to show up the most, uyabonakala na. Mase kumele ukuthi uvele ubonakala uyabonakala na, because sharp ubonakala against Magesi, ubonakala against Orbit, ubonakala against abo banibani. Mara mawudlala against lamanye ama team amakhulu kumele ukuthi ubonakala. Awubonakala sikuboni. You see, again, Clemiak, yizo lezi zinto esikhuluma ngayo. Uzi comment oblimi uyahlanya, win is a win. It's your opinion. Yes, a win is a win according to you. Mara ukuhlanya ngena kuphi? Ukuhlanya ngena kuphi? Ukuhlanya ngena aphi? And inkingi iwani, anifuni ukuzwa ama facts. Masinitshela ama facts niyabaleka niyacasha, nifuna ukusithuka nisibize ngabo mamethu, nenza abo nenze nabo in. If you're not interested in what I'm saying, phuma kule live. Mangaba ukho interested lento engiyikhuluma ubona ngathi ngikhuluma nonsense, phuma kule live uhambe uyobhekelela abelungu abo Motin nabo banibani abazokukhuluma into wena oyifunayo. Hamba uyobheka abelungu abazokutshela lento ofuna ukutshela. Mina ngizokutshela ivar. A win for Orlando Pirates against Magesi FC, I'll never celebrate it. A win for Mamelodi Sundowns against Magesi FC, I'll never celebrate it. A win against Magesi FC for Chiefs, I will never celebrate. Ama-team amakhulu la South Africa mele bazwisa abafana abancane mabangena lapha ukuthi what it's like to play against the elite. Futhi mele bazishaya gut lama team. Those are the teams la ke Chiefs, Pirates, Mamelodi Sundowns mele baset a standard ye goal difference. Yiwo lama game la mele kushaya bu 5-0 senzele ukuthi akusasa sazi mazala ne Sundowns maye ngashaya or sabamba draw siyazi ukuthi abafethu no labantu laba sinabo kanje ngegoal difference. Yasikhulumeni vele ngombuthuma, good point. Thank you ubani Malunda Mdawu, thank you. Orlando Pirates doesn't have a striker. The Pirates are in a striker. Evidence Makhupa is not the striker that's going to bring the league for Orlando Pirates. Uyanela Mbuthuma is not the striker that's going to bring the league to Orlando Pirates. Uyanela Mbuthuma ulitholile ithuba lakhe bafethu uhlulekile. Uyanela Mbuthuma akakwazi ukukora and enyawuza abantu abaningi, even the so-called legends, but Uyanela Mbuthuma is always in the right space. Uyakwazi ukungena ema space in, asifuni strike esingena ema space in, asifuni strike score goal. That's why sithi uLal Foster ngaku World Cup, because akakori goal. If we are saying sifuni strike esingena kuma space, then uLal Foster akahamba eWorld Cup. Then uLal Foster akahamba eWorld Cup. Evidence Makhupa no Yanela Mbuthuma, they're not offering Orlando Pirates 4 goal. Laba bantu laba in 10 games, there's a very high chance ukuthi Mbuthuma ngakora 1 goal, Makhupa kore 2 goals. And then ele-3 la Makhupa kube ukuthi ibhola limchayisile la ngena. Akusi striker semali leso, because amanye ama team ahlakaniphile when they play against Orlando Pirates bazodazini asiqiniseni isivala Mfukeng isivala uPolice umuremi ngeke tabalaza ayi1. That's when a striker should raise their hand and saying la na 2 goals siqedile. Mbuthuma got a clear-cut chance in the obvious mfana against Richards Bay. Header he goal out, thathi head uyipu keep. Evidence Makhupa uyangena uyewela ngaphakathi bafethu. Yo, izinto esizibonayo sometimes ku PSL. Mara yizo lezi striker bafethu kumele sibheje ngazo. Easy striker lezi kumele sikhiphe imali sithenga ama tickets itayi siyobhekelela Orlando Pirates idlala. If Mfukeng and Police are not having a good game ubani ukorayo Orlando Pirates, sekumele abo talent embatha abashoot from range, sekumele abo libone siyama abashoot from range kuze kube nama goal, because akuna striker escorayo. Orlando Pirates won 5-0 the previous game ba wina 6-0. They scored 11 goals in 2 games. Ngicela ubaleli 1 kulama goal 11 eliphuma ku striker. Ngisamile namanje. Ngicela ngibalelo yi1 lapho. Igoal eliphuma ku striker manje. Nazo-ke kwathula. So Orlando Pirates ayina striker. Sicela labantu laba abascoutayo laba abasayinayo bahambe bayositholela istriker semali bafethu umuntu oshaya igoli. Umuntu esaziyo ukuthi makushubile uzovela aphakamisa isandla shaya igoli. Orlando Pirates ayina striker. iKaizer Chiefs ayina striker. And yabana lento yama striker la South Africa iyabhora, because noma ubheka iMamelodi Sundowns, the biggest team right now in South African football, because they competing internationally, globally, yonke indawo bakhona iMamelodi Sundowns. Leyo nakusi debate. Nabo self istriker sabo semali abasithembe kakhulu uLeon Shalulwile. Sharp, there's a South African striker at least ku Sundowns, iGraham Reyners okwazi ukukora amagoli, but mawususa uReyners Ilezi eziyi-2 foreign strikers uya ku-Chiefs. If there's a striker that scores goals for i-Chiefs, makune striker esikorayo because nabo self kukora ama-midfield. Lele yapho ze-midfield attacking wing angithi i-wing i-midfield. If kune striker esikorayo uDa Silva is South African, no. Kanti apha ama-strike eSouth Africa athi sibuze nalama coach lawo e-development manje ake nani nisiphendule mani developer kanti ama-striker una-developer kanjani na? Ngoba le striker lezi ezi-South African board ayabalazi ipala yo ayabalazi ipala i-strikers asese yo uzwa kuphela. Listen, very interesting comment, very interesting comment. The last scoring striker was Tendai Ndoro. The last time iPirates iba ne-striker scorer bekundoro undoro wanini bafethu. Athi ngivula ama line angeneni ke lapho bafethu sikhulumeni ngebhola, sikhulumeni izinto ezicacile serious. Uyanela Mbuthuma maybe mele simhlabele inkomo ehlanyayo or maybe mele simtholele umprofeti lapho ozomgeza amchelela ama-boot or something. Hayi Mabasa bhacela, that's why sithanda ukukhuluma nabantu abazibholo. Tsegofatso Mabasa is a very good striker. Tsegofatso Mabasa was close to breaking a record yakatso. If you're looking for a striker zokushayela hat-trick, uTsegofatso Mabasa angikhumbuli mina evidence Makgopa score hat-trick nizong correct. Angikhumbuli evidence Makgopa score hat-trick or bathu score more than 2 goals in one game. Hayi angikhumbuli bafethu unless sengikhohliwe. Mhlambe sengidakwe ishukela leti hayi angazi. Mara evidence Mabasa uTsegofatso Mabasa umuntu bekashaya ama hat-trick. Umuntu bekakora, sometimes it come off the bench akore. iPirates mangathi semove uTsegofatso Mabasa bekakwazi ukusibuyisa egamini. Why loan out istrike esifana naleso and then silethela uMbuthuma? When uthatha uMabasa umisa le maqeda lapho silethela uMbuthuma. Bafethu mina ngancane anisithatheni serious. Anisithatheni serious. Asifuna umuntu ophula ama defender man, sifuna umuntu okorayo. Anisithatheni serious. Tsegofatso Mabasa mela buye lapha kuPirates. If we are ever to win anything next season, mela buye. That game against the Richards Bay uTsegofatso Mabasa bekayotabalaza shaya inqawo. Yeah, Mbuthuma has potential. I mean, I'm not saying iPirates mele imhambise or angimthuki, but he clearly has a lot. He clearly has a lot to learn and a lot to improve on. Askisbe ngisafunda i-comment la abanye abantu bayaphapha azi abanye ama-comment nje abantu abaphaphayo. Akabuye bafethu yazi instead mina to be honest with you, I would have loaned out uMakgopa than uMabasa. Bengathi Makgopa iyale then ke uMbuthuma noMabasa ke bese saba rotate ke yabo, because at least siyazi ukuthi uyi1 uyakora. Ngithi omunye bathi Ntswembu ngokudonsa ama striker makadonsa ama striker lo munye uzongena kora, while I mean lo munye udonsa ama defender lo munye uyakora. I honestly think mina Orlando Pirates made a mistake ngokuthi balone out uTsegofatso Mabasa, but asazi mhlambe khona ezinye izathu. But if we're being honest, at this point Orlando Pirates needs uTsegofatso Mabasa, striker semali lesiyaba fethu, and i-confidence yakhe khona manje obviously phansi because he wasn't getting enough game time kweLorlando Pirates. Now seka kuStellenbosch FC, so by the time he has to come back iyangiconcern ukuthi uzobuya right na, and what said uzobe sesekaya ngena bhacela njami ngena angina flop ngena mfethu sikhuluma into ezimnandi mina nawe oza. So I think mfethu releasing uTsegofatso Mabasa Mbekezeli Mbokazi benching Kabelo Dlamini is another mistake our coach is making. Kabelo Dlamini offers a lot kula number 10 position. When Mfukeng is not having a good game, uyamdonsa umbeke sayidini maqeda lapho keeper uTsepang Muremi ufaka lo mfana lo Nushenko adlale lapha ku number 10. Ukora ama set piece lo muntu bafethu uya creator uya shooter umnandi Kabelo Dlamini. I honestly don't understand why he's not getting enough game time. Angeke abo Masindi namthatjela basuka khona bese bathola enough game time or more game time ukuhlula umuntu that has been with Orlando Pirates. Like he's the longest serving player Orlando Pirates right now, Kabelo Dlamini. Sekahlale benchini. Bafethu asibeni fair bafethu. Makabuye bafethu samdinga bafethu lo mjida lo. Akabuye azodlala uKabelo Dlamini. Creativity yakhe is definitely missed. And yeah, right wena Zamisa. Yeah, Zamisa, you 100%. Now I think ikhona inkinga ekhona ngoDlamini because there's no way he play Ntswembu solo ngahlala ebenchini. Khona into esingayitshelwa, khona into eyenzakala esingayitshelwa. Angeke iplay Ntswembu solo izohlala ebenchini bafethu. Angeke iplay Ntswembu solo izohlala ebenchini.